How do I create a list of random numbers without duplicates? I tried using random.randint 0, 100, but some numbers were the same. Is there a method or module to create a list unique random numbers? Note, the following code is based on an answer and has been added after the answer was posted. It is not a part of the question, it is the solution.
This will return a list of 10 numbers selected from the range 0 to 99, without duplicates.
You can first create a list of numbers from A to B, where A and B are respectively the smallest and greatest numbers in your list, then shuffle it with Fisher-Yates algorithm or using the Python's random.shuffle method.
The solution presented in this answer works, but it could become problematic with memory if the sample size is small, but the population is huge, e.g. random.sample, insanely large number, 10. To fix that, I would go with this.
You can use the shuffle function from the random module like this. Note here that the shuffle method doesn't return any list, as one may expect it only shuffle the list passed by reference.
If you want to go to Dell, please consider making a society.